wrong with it. It's just used for temporary. Um, Also, when it comes to the panel, so again, this is my face plate here that's going to go onto there. Once I remove these wires from here. So it looks like that is reamed out. Um, so I'm going to somehow have to get this off or take this up in order to remove this from here. Um, so these are my Allen keys that I normally travel with. Never forget your Allen keys. There's many sets that I have here. I also have this set of Allen keys that I use for the bigger stuff. Comes in handy. Um, as you can see, I tried with these Allen keys the first time, didn't work. So I simply went to the other set of Allen keys. A lot of times I also use this set of Allen key for the main service when it comes to the outdoor meter bases and stuff like that. It helps with the turning of the wrist. A lot of times when we go to do the service upgrade, it ends up being that sometimes the lug is stuck and you need something a little bit more stronger. I inherited this from one of the crews that I was working with when it came to doing a service upgrade, and it's one of the tools that I normally travel with. Make sure it's in my bag with the material that I need. It's very with the tools that I need. Sorry, very handy. We're going to remove this from here. As I said, I don't need that, and we're going to be removing this. So in a normal situation like this, if I was coming in with my main wires, over here we have the grounding onto the metal casing of the panel. Up here we have our bounding. This is basically the wire that comes from underneath the ground. You'll see it in some of my videos where ground where I have my ground plate inside of the ground. Usually when that comes up out of the ground, we come into the panel and we're going to install it here. However, for this type of setup, I'm not going to be using this because once I come from the main panel, I don't need a bounding. It's already bounded through the set of cables that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be removing this. Also, another thing that I'm going to be removing from this panel is my